drunk Shakespeare. Like one of the actors slammed like 5 shots and was being an actor drunk.
I'm gonna rough it up and throw a little bit of Bondo on it just so I can get that nice and smooth for the painter to paint over. Okay, so here, that all feels nice.
You know, fridge install. I built all the frame behind it. Still have to build the door. Made the tabletop out of stainless steel. We're gonna put the battery bank underneath and inverters and everything in there.
Hey, we got a 99 Ventari H345 double slide customer bus. We just bought it, brought it to us to do a bunch of work on it. We started with the paint on the outside. He wanted to change the color, get rid of all the black coloring. He's getting work done on it because there's a lot of rock chips and there was old PPF on there, which we removed, and now we're gonna go back and fix all the damaged spots. Charge the cruisers up for him. Inside, well, it's new carpet. Obviously all the seats are gone out of here because we're redoing all the cushions, couch here. We built this couch section here. Yeah, this used to be in the center, and then there was 2 captain's chairs here. That's right, and he wanted a couch, so we got kind of like an L-shaped couch to go in here. It's getting all recovered. Moved this over, made some trim pieces for him. It's a good old bus. It's a nice bus. Pretty good shape. We got some new backsplash material that we did in here. Also did it in the bathroom. Just to help. And then back here, new carpet. Whoa, watch your head on the fan. And then Jeffrey's putting in a new TV here. And then we're gonna do a new TV in the front as well. This is early 2000s front slide XL2 entertainer chassis. We chopped the front end off, put a new front end. Obviously we're missing the band molding here, which is on back order, so we're just waiting on that, but it turned out pretty good. And then we did a full paint job on it. It used to be like brown and red, and now it's completely white. We did all new wheels on this thing, nut studs, 365s on the fronts, the tags. We got a couple little bay panels we're gonna have to repair at some point, but pretty clean bus for an old bus. We'll go inside and check it out. Yeah, so we did all the flooring in here, all new blinds, new valances. Put some new LED lights coming down through here in the center. It's a very dark bus, but it's nice big with the slide open for bands. Bathroom here. We got 12 bunks through here. Once again, all the new flooring that we put in, some LVT. And then the back lounge. But it almost smells like a new bus in here, doesn't it? Drunk Shakespeare. Like one of the actors slammed like 5 shots and was being an actor drunk. It was pretty funny actually.